Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm finally going to be going over my Black Friday haul. It's excessive, decisions were made, damage was done. I ordered so much makeup, as you can see. Let's just go ahead and get into it because I got a lot of boxes to unbox. First up, let's do Persona Cosmetics. Persona is an indie brand that I love. Well, they are indie, but they're becoming a little more mainstream now. Anyway, I think they were having 30% off site-wide, maybe more. I don't remember. Whatever. Anyway, I picked up one of their highlighters. It's their Cali Glow highlighter. The shade is Laguna. I previously had the shade Zuma, but it was too deep for me, so I decluttered it like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago or something. This one looks a lot lighter. Oh yeah. And I loved the formula of the other one. It was just too deep. I don't know. This one seems a little more chalky. I guess we'll see what happens, but there's that. And I also got one of their new lip glosses. They make one of my favorite lip glosses. This is the shade Shortcake. It looks really pretty. I already have like 3 of their glosses, I think. Yeah, it's just like a cute rose shade. I think this will be really pretty. That's an easy one. That's all I got from Persona. Next. Okay, I know I always say I have too much skincare, which is true. I have a lot of skincare, but I'm actually low on cleanser, like legit almost out. So Glow Recipe was having their Black Friday sale. It was like free shipping with a $10 minimum order and then like free gifts with a $10 minimum order or any order, I don't remember. So I picked up one of the small Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleansers. This is one of my favorite cleansers and it was $10, so that worked perfectly. And then as samples, they gave me another little Blueberry Bounce cleanser, so that works out. And then look at how cute this is. It's like little sample packs of most of their items. So we've got the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and then the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So super happy with that. I think that's a great deal for $10. It's like I basically got, yeah, this is just a little less than the one I bought, but I've got enough cleanser for a few months now, and I get all these sample packs. $10. So Dominique Cosmetics was having a pretty killer Black Friday sale, except I already own all of their palettes. And I think their lip glosses, I have at least 2 of their lip glosses. I'm not a fan of their liquid lipsticks. The only thing I didn't have that I've been interested in at least was the Prisma Glow Highlight Palette. This thing is a lot bigger in person than I thought. Holy smokes. I hesitated on buying this for so long because I didn't think these 2 shades would work for me. I still don't know if they will. I'm gonna swatch it. Yeah, I think the middle 2 might be too deep for me. That third from the bottom could be a pretty blush topper. We'll see. I don't know. I won't know until I put it on the face, but either way, this was like 40% off, and I wanted to grab it while it was on sale. Melt Cosmetics. I ordered the Muerte palette, which I do already have a review of this live because as soon as it came in, I had to open it. I couldn't wait for this video. This palette is just unbelievably stunning. I love it so much. Super glad I got it, but that's not all. Since it was Black Friday, their lipsticks were on sale for $5, so I picked up the shade Nude in OOD. Just looks like a really nice light nude lipstick. Let's see. It's taken everything in me not to wear it. Yeah, it's just a really pretty nude pink. So, $5 lipstick, can't beat it. And then I got the Muerte palette. So good. Dose of Colors. Dose of Colors, usually every year they have 40% off site-wide for Black Friday, but this year they were doing bundles. I don't know if they always do. This was the first year I paid attention to it, and they had something for $50 called Anna's Favorites. Yeah, Anna's Favorites bundle. I was wrong. It's called Anna's Essential Set, whatever. So everything comes in this cute little bag, and it comes with like a ton of stuff. So it comes with a Block Party shadow in the shade Shall We Dance, which looked right up my alley. It's like a glittery champagne-y pink, I think. Yeah, terrible swatch, but you get the idea. Gorgeous. There's a lip liner in the shade Dime. It's just that line. It's just a nude. You get the idea. There's an eyeliner in the shade Pencil Me In, which is like a slate charcoalish gray. Pretty. There's a lip gloss in the shade Can You Not. It's like a really pretty creamy beigey color. There's a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Let's Cuddle, which like same color story over here. And then from the Desi and Katie collab, the Friendcation collab, There's a lipstick called No Shade. And again, really pretty nude. Shit. Can you see that? Probably not, but you get the idea. Gorgeous color selection. They're all right up my alley, and I'm very happy with this set. And from Target, I got just a few things because it was all 30% off. So first up, I got a Pixi Skin Treats. It's a toner trio, and they're not the full size, but they're not quite the minis either. They're 1.3 fluid ounces each. So there's the Rose Tonic, Glow Tonic, and Vitamin C Tonic. I've tried these two. I've never tried this one, and I do love this toner, so it was a pretty good deal for me. And then I got some Essie nail polish, like holiday kits. So, I don't know, I just liked all the shades for the holidays, and Essie nail polish is thebomb.com. So for 30% off, I'm pretty happy. That's all I got from Target. So next up is Bite Beauty, and I got a ton, apparently. They're actually reformulating to go completely vegan, so I guess all their stuff was super discounted for that reason. What did I get? So their Amuse Bouche lipsticks were on sale for $6.50. How many did I get? Okay, so I got 4 full lipsticks for $6.50 each. From top to bottom, there's Sugarcane, Cava, Cancer, and Star Anise. I think that's how you say it. I don't really know. They're all really pretty. And then I got a 3-piece set, the All Agave. I think this set was $7. And it just comes with a mini lip balm, a mini agave nighttime therapy, and then the mini agave lip mask. For $3.75, I got this set of minis. They're so little. They're the blushing pinks. They're the shades Fig and Pepper. And then they sent this little Bite Beauty bag for free. This little Bite Beauty mirror for free. And then this mini lipstick. It's the shade Shy. So I'm all about a free gift with purchase. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, we've got Colorpop. I'm pretty sure their deal was 30% off site-wide. All right, so I got one of these new coconut bronzers. I got the shade Coconut Beach. The packaging is super cute. And then the shade actually looks pretty great to contour with. And bronze. I'm really fair, so I think that's perfect. Okay, then I got another one of the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizers. The shade I got last time is a little too light, so now I got shade 4N. Yeah, Fair 4N. Looks like it could be a little dark, but I don't really know. Maybe if I mix the two together. Either way, I love the finish on this. It's beautiful. I just needed a different shade. And then we got some pencils. I finally got the BFF lip liner, which is supposed to be like a perfect nude. I've got nowhere to put it though. Yeah, it's a really good nude. And then I got the Joyride cream gel eyeliner. It looked pretty good with this eye look, actually. It's like a burgundy. Would you call that burgundy? Ooh. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I knew these were big, but I didn't think it'd be this big. I got one of the Soul Face and Body highlighters. Holy crap. I got the shade Platinum. This thing is huge. Okay, that's gigantic. Whatever. Oh, it smells kind of beachy. Can't put my finger on it, but it smells familiar. Oh, not in a good way though. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. As I say, that's it. And it was so much. Oh my God. What Black Friday deals, if any, did you guys take advantage of? I would love to know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.